Hello! I am here to explain the different loops on C++. Loops in C++ is a fundamental concept that lets your program repeat tasks automatically. We'll cover the three main types of loops: for loops, while loops, and do-while loops. And I'll show you some simple and real examples to make it more understandable. First up is the for loops. It is use a for loop when you know exactly how many times you want to repeat something. Here's a quick example that prints numbers from 1 to 5. Now, let's run this. Nice! The loop runs 5 times, counting to 1 to 5. That is 4 loops. Next, we have the while loop. Use this when you want to keep repeating until a condition changes. But you don't know how many times in advance. For example, let's ask the users to enter numbers while they type 0 to stop. This is while loop. So if the users enter number like 4, 7, 2, the program will echo those numbers back, and when they finally enter 0, the loop ends. Finally, the do-while is similar to a while loop, but only one key difference: the loop body always runs at least once. This is great for input validation, like asking the user to guess a secret number until they get it right. Here's the code. No matter what the user gets to try at least once, even if they guess it right the first time. And that is it. A quick guide to the three main loops types in C++. Try them out yourself, experiment, and see how many loops can save you from writing repetitive codes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Thank you for watching and happy coding!